Can I explain how we know that there's nothing outside the universe? Well, we defined it. And I think this is something I really have to explain because I think this question is my version of Hank Green's "Where does the wax go when you burn it?" The universe is defined as all space-time, all quantum fields, all mass and energy, everything that exists. That's what we defined it as. So anywhere exists in the universe. Any location exists inside the universe because we have defined the universe to envelop all locations. There can't be anything outside the universe because we have defined the universe as having no outside. If it exists anywhere, it exists here. Because anywhere you could claim, if you could point to a location, we have defined that as being inside the universe. We have defined the universe as everything that exists, period. And because we have defined it that way, if you find something outside of anything, it's part of the universe. To be part of space, or time, or mass, or energy, or quantum fields, or anything that we know that exists, or could exist, it's a part of the universe. That's our definition of the universe. And this brings up a couple common questions. What about the multiverse? What about many worlds theory? In the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics, the many worlds, the multiverse, exist in the same space as whatever world we're in. We just can't access it because it's in a different quantum state. So those many worlds are all overlapped on you right here, inside the universe. Another question I get is, does that mean the universe is infinite? No. The universe is very likely finite. The next question is, well, what happens when you go beyond the edge of the universe? And the answer to that is, there is no edge. The universe is not like a flat disk that stops somewhere. The universe is very likely a shape that loops on itself. Go far enough in one direction, and then you come back to your origin point. Yes, like Pac-Man. One such model is a torus, a toroidal universe, but it doesn't have to be. So the universe is finite with no edge. So the next question people usually ask is, what is the universe expanding into? And the answer is nothing. Not empty space, literally nothing. Into implies space. It implies a location, and locations have to exist by our definition in the universe. And right now, by our observations, all space-time exists within the universe, which means the universe isn't contained within anything, it is the container. And that container is just getting bigger. The whole of existence is just getting bigger. So yes, the universe is defined as everything. If it's something that exists, it's part of the universe, which is why whatever you think you're finding outside of the universe isn't outside the universe. It exists, therefore it's inside the universe.